Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If the refrigerator exterior continually feels hot in these areas, check the condenser for excessive dirt or debris and clean if necessary. Airflow blocked by lint, pet hair and dirt will cause the condenser and heat loop temperature to increase.
Let's help you make your mark.
Dirty condenser coils are the most common cause for a Whirlpool refrigerator not cooling. Condenser coils dissipate heat as the refrigerant passes through them. If the coils are clogged in dirt and debris, they can't release the heat properly.
Let's help you make your mark.
Whirlpool refrigerator control panel reset is recommended if the refrigerator is beeping and not functioning properly. When the Whirlpool refrigerator reset button is not dealt with, it may cause more issues in the future.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Refrigerator is too full. Your refrigerator stays at the proper temperature thanks to cold air that's consistently circulated through the appliance. If there are too many items in your fresh food compartment, that cold air may not circulate properly, resulting in a refrigerator that's warm.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.